Welcome to my channel. So today I have a special guest here. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Jody. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to
subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell to the right of your screen. And yeah guys, so yeah, I don't know what to say.
You have to tell me what to say.
Just say anything you want to say, girl. My girl, what are you?
I can now give me on.
So, alright. So today I'm going to have a guest here. Her name is Jody. So my name is Jody, her name is Jody. It's like almost like a twin tag, but it's not really a twin tag because we're not twins, of course. Yeah. Anyway, so we're going to be doing a 50 questions you've never been asked YouTube tag. Okay, so I'm going to read. We're going to take questions alternately. She'll get one question. I'll get another. What am I gonna do now? You are gonna. Alternate, yeah. So alternate. So she'll get the first question, I'll get the second question. Okay, so the first question is, we don't want to do the first question, me or you? Rock, scissors, paper. Sasha Goo, drinking boy. Okay, so I'll take the first question. What's your favorite candle scent? I don't have a favorite candle scent. Or maybe actually, maybe strawberry. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
so my question is, what female celebrity do you wish was your sister? Maybe Beyonce.
Yeah. Why?
Because I love Beyonce. I'm a Beyonce fan.
Okay. What male celebrity do you wish was your brother? My brother. Mario Barrett.
Huh?
Your brother?
Yeah!
No.
Okay.
Yes, so you can sing to me. Agree. Next, how old?
How old do you think you'll be when you get... Oh.
How old, Goody?
Maybe.
Granny.
Maybe about 29.
How old are you now?
Secret. Continue. Next question.
Okay. How old do you think? No. Do you know a hoarder?
I do.
Oh.
Store with the whole thing.
Yeah. What's up? If me know a hoarder. You know what if I like? I don't know a hoarder.
Well, I do. My mom is one.
Yeah. Oh, my mom is not a hoarder. Anyway.
Can you do a split? No, I can't.
Next, how old were you when you learned how to ride a bike? I was maybe 10, 11. I didn't really learn how to ride it. I taught myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many oceans have you swam in?
Deep into the
Zero.
ocean. You know, see the ocean?
Is the Caribbean Sea an ocean?
Yeah.
I don't know what ocean it is. I've swum in the Caribbean Sea.
Okay. So it basically means water. Then just I choose like, say the word ocean. It's ocean.
Alright,
And because for the Caribbean Sea, you never say the Atlantic Ocean.
But I don't know which ocean it would have been linked to.
Many oceans, okay. How many countries have you been to? me see. I've been to Mexico, Japan. I've been to Korea, China, Germany. Where else? Yeah, 5 countries. Mumba, 5 countries? Very goody.
World traveler.
Very goody. Alright. Next is
anyone in your family in the army? No.
yeah, army, not in the army, police force. We have two or one, nothing we know. Anyway, what would you name your daughter if you had one? Abigail. A joke. No, maybe Gabriel.
No.
No, not even.
I got injured.
Yeah. No, but the name Gabriel is not made by the guy. The same.
Oops.
Alright, no, we're not naming Gabriel. Wow. We don't know.
Okay, so what would you name your son? Oh, I should have said.
Yeah. What would you name your son if you had one? I don't know.
What would you name your daughter if you had one?
Oh,
That was it.
you don't matter. Just take it.
Okay, so I'll name my daughter. I know son.
Handsome.
I'm not gonna name my daughter. I'm not gonna name my son.
Well, their name is
David, like his daddy.
Daddy, anyway, let's move on. What's the worst grade you got on a test?
0.
Oh yeah, except for me. What worst grade? Yeah, 0.
If
Never get 0.
you miss the test,
Oh, yeah,
you
yes.
get a 0.
Never get 0 on test yet. Never get 0 on test yet. No, the worst never get on a test was 5%. And you can't guess. You can't guess which subject that.
Maths.
Never do nothing on the test. I never know said to the day was that test. Never know nothing.
I missed test and get 0.
Not even remember me miss test. Next.
What was your favorite TV show when you were a child? Dragon Ball Z, if that's a TV
Dragon
show.
Ball Z?
Yeah.
Dragon Ball Z!
Yeah, Dragon Ball Z.
Okay. What did you dress up as on Halloween when you were 8? I didn't dress up as anything. In Jamaica, we don't really celebrate Halloween. I grew up in a Christian family, so we never have no Halloween on him. Because, you know, we don't really,
We don't
Jamaica
celebrate.
we come from, you know, we don't really celebrate Halloween and them things because you don't know. We celebrate.
The Jankuna.
We not even celebrate that because we don't know Jankuna. We don't celebrate no Jankuna.
We are talking country, not you.
Wow.
Lord, no sir, we are not country, not you.
That can cut out.
No sir.
Next.
Would you rather have an American accent or a British? No. Call my mama. Can you call my mama tomorrow?
Yeah. May I have a bottle of water, please? Got that right.
A cup of tea?
A cup of tea.
A cup of tea? You know, you're mad.
Oh, did your mother go to college? No, she didn't.
Yeah. Are your grandparents still married? What a question to ask? They're not even married. None of them.
Have you ever taken? No. Have you ever taken karate class? No. We don't learn.
In Japan, but never take no karate class.
No.
Do you know Do you know who Kermit the Frog is? No, I don't know who Kermit the Frog is.
We
I
hear
know
about
the
it,
frog,
though.
but I know the frog named Kermit. You know Kermit the Frog? I'm gonna have a question. That.
What's the first amusement park you've been to?
Coney Park.
I don't think I've ever been to an amusement park.
Really? Never? Oh, the first park I'm going to Coney Park. Coney Park, Jamaica. Big up Coney Park.
Straight.
Never there. What language beside your native language would you like to be fluent in Japanese? Watashi wa jodi desu. Namae wa?
Namae wa Jody desu. Jody desu.
Nani
Jody
speaker?
desu.
Nani speaker?
Huh? Nani speaker? What do I like?
Yeah.
好きな食べ物はこれライスです。
すごいYeah, yes! Yeah, Japanese. The next one there. Oh, are you?
Do you spell the color gray as Grey or Gray? Grey, gray.
Okay. Is your father bald? Technically, yes, because him always bald in head. Him bald in ear. Because I'm hairstyle, him wear bald, but he's not bald. Him have ear.
Do you know triplets?
You know triplets?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, me
But
too.
what kind of weird question?
Huh?
Do you prefer Titanic or The Notebook?
Oh my.
Me never watch Titanic from the day I born. I be a little snippets and 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Oh my.
I watch The Notebook, but I'm not really in a them kind of show there.
It's difficult. I like the both of them.
I'm not like none of them. I'm not really in a them local food.
Have you ever had Indian food?
Yes! Suki! Daisuki! Yeah, I love Indian. I love curry goodie. Every day. Yesterday, 2 days I go eat curry. Yeah, curry. What's the name of your favorite restaurant? Not a favorite restaurant, because first of all, they're in Japan.
Little Tokyo, Jamaica.
I don't really eat out of them stuff there. But if I consider one restaurant my favorite restaurant, but I say Kentucky Fried Chicken, because when I'm younger, and I like some of my favorite restaurant, you know. And I like some of my favorite restaurant, you know, but that's the only place I used to go. I always look forward to go when I'm in Jamaica or not even Burger King. Yeah, but I don't really have a favorite restaurant because I don't really go out and eat. Yeah, so.
Have you ever been to Olive Garden? No, I haven't.
Do you belong to any warehouse store? No. What mean about warehouse? Oh, if I work here. Oh!
Custom.
Oh, if I'm a member?
Yeah.
Oh, no. I would love to be a member though.
What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender? I don't know. Maybe Tajay. See that Tajay, because my brother, his name is Tajay, and I'm older than he is, so Tajay.
Oh, okay. If you have a nickname, what is it? Nickname? Well, when I was younger, I used to call the nursery, the lady used to call me Judy Jowney.
Judy Johnny.
Judy Jowney! And yeah, but I don't really have a nickname. My name is Jody, but they call me Jody. I don't have a nickname. What's your favorite? Who's your favorite person in the world?
Oh, who's your favorite person in the world? My favorite person is my mother, Simone Louise. I love you, Mama.
Hey, Simone! Alright, what is the next one? Would you rather live in a rural area or suburbs? Suburbs, yeah, the suburbs. Can't buy with the country. I'm a country girl. I don't like country.
Yeah.
Ignorant for country. I like Japan.
Boring.
I don't like country.
We rather stay.
I like country. I don't like country. I don't like bush. I don't like country.
Insects.
I don't like city. I'm not really into the rural, the urban city like Tokyo. I don't really like Tokyo. It's nice and
too crowded.
yeah, and but
expensive.
Expensive, all of that too. But I don't like when it's too country. Yeah, I get depressed. Tell you.
Can you whistle? Yes, I can. Can you whistle? I used to. Okay, haven't done it in a while.
Do you sleep with a night light? Yes.
Do you eat breakfast every morning? Yes, I do.
No, I don't. Do you take pills or medication? No, I don't.
Baby, no, I don't say. What medical conditions do you have? Oh, that's a
Mentally ill.
secret. No.
You have a medical condition?
I have eczema.
That is not really a medical condition. That is.
That's not
everybody-
medical.
That common.
What is it? What is it?
Yeah, but it's a common.
But what is it? It
I
has
know
a
about
common
it,
and
but
uncommon. What is it? Is it a medical condition? No?
yeah, but
No.
not serious.
Okay. It is. So I do. I have eczema.
Not a medical condition. In the medical condition me have is not a medical condition. Anyway, move on. Another my question that anyway. How many times have you been to the hospital? In my life, I don't know when I was a baby only part time, but as an adult, I don't know. More than 10 times. But not over 20 times. Never been to the hospital. More than 10 times, and maybe most of them are they were like for school medicals, or maybe to the dentist, or maybe 2 times or twice in Japan, because whatever, yeah, but not only part time.
Have you ever seen Finding Nemo? Yes, I have, and I like Finding Nemo.
Yes, me too, but I'm bad with that. Where do you buy your jeans? Anyway. Anyway, our thrift store. Anyway.
Achoo, achoo, achoo. What's the last compliment you got? Oh, your hair is so beautiful.
Do you usually remember your dreams in the morning? Sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm too tired.
What flavor tea do you enjoy? Vanilla.
Oh, the banana! Jesus. How many pairs of shoes do you currently own? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7. Yeah, I'm not nobody about clothes. They were granny. Anyway.
What religion will you raise your children to practice? Oh my. Christianity.
So why have many Christianity? Why have many Christianity also? How old were you when you found out that Santa wasn't real? When from me at 0, I know that Santa not real. I never discover that Santa not real. I know that Santa not real. Yeah, so my mother never had them things. I grew up in our real society, Jamaica, and we say real expressive.
Yeah.
We not
in a
Santa madness, and you don't know.
Have you read any of the Harry Potter, Hunger Games, or Twilight series? No, I haven't.
So guys, this is the end of the 50 questions you've never been asked YouTube tag. And today we have a special guest here, and this is
Jody!
Yes, and you know me, I am Jody, Jwillscool, the Jamaican Gaijin. And we're currently living in Japan, and she just came over from Tokyo. Yeah?
Yeah.
To see me here over here in where live again? Yes, so she came far over from Tokyo to visit me over here in the country.
Yeah.
And guys, so if you love this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate that. Yeah! Fever. But yeah guys, this is our look.
So I want to say hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Sylyne, Andrew. So, hi everyone. Hi, Simone. Hi, UT. Hi, Sylyne, JJ, Mooney, and David. Love you all. See you soon. Mwah. Bye.